fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new, so we gon' take our time. Yeah, got a lot we've been through. Fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new, so we gon' take our time. Yeah, got a lot we've been through.
I'm up that hut hike, I'm up the gut then spike. I'm on my Mark Sanchez, I'm off her butt all night. So yeah, let me get in for a minute. I'm thinking the way that the wheels been spinning, I'm going against first in a couple of inches. But yeah, she flooded the engine and that's that two-seat. That fumble brewski, stay loose, she off the truly. And I told that rock, but that ain't no excuse. She thinks that's bougie, I gotta move these Ralou. She hit like Brewski and that proves you can't expect nothing but truth. I just be
fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new, so we gon' take our time. Yeah, got a lot we've been through. Fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new, so we gon' take our time. Yeah, got a lot we've been through.
Hey, she know that she got it, but she too humble to brag. Drop the ball on occasion, but never fumble the bag. She get up early and often, she gotta work for the man. While all these Instagram get paid to twerk on the gram. No offense, smoke a little bit to get her mind right. Never really yearn for the limelight. Spend a couple hundred for a cheap thrill. Wasn't really worth it in hindsight. Follow you, baby, why don't you show me the way?